SWOT analysis is just the beginning. To get real strategic value, you need to take those insights and turn them into a clear, actionable plan. In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to build a strategic plan using SWOT, step by step. Start by organizing your SWOT into the 4 key categories: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Make sure each point is specific, evidence-based, and prioritized. This isn't just a brainstorm, it's a strategic filter. Next, group related items into themes. For example, if you have strengths in customer service, loyalty, and support response time, group them under customer experience excellence. This helps simplify the analysis and highlight patterns. Now ask the 4 key strategic pairing questions. How can we use our strengths to seize opportunities? How can we use our strengths to defend against threats? How can we minimize weaknesses to take advantage of opportunities? How can we minimize weaknesses to reduce vulnerability to threats? These pairings generate your core strategy themes. For example, if a strength is brand loyalty and an opportunity is a new product line, your strategic goal might be to launch that product with a customer loyalty program. If a weakness is a slow sales cycle and a threat is rising competition, one of your strategies could be sales process automation. From there, turn these insights into concrete goals. Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't just say improve marketing. Say increase qualified leads by 20% in Q3 through targeted LinkedIn ads. Next, define initiatives and action plans. What projects will help you achieve those goals? Who owns them? What's the timeline? What resources are needed? This step transforms strategy into execution. Integrate this plan into your broader business operations. OKRs, performance reviews, product roadmaps, or budget planning. This ensures alignment and accountability across teams. Finally, set up a cadence for review and revision. Schedule quarterly check-ins to revisit your SWOT and assess your progress. Have strengths evolved? Are threats becoming more urgent? Are you making measurable progress toward your goals? A strategic plan built on SWOT isn't static. It's dynamic, informed, and aligned. When done well, it turns insight into impact and intention into momentum.